Let's trigger every hairdresser by using box hair dye to dye my hair. I'm using the Schwarzkopf Brilliance range. This one has worked for me previously, so I want to show you guys. This is the one that I use to dye my whole hair red for cheap. Let's go. Now let's start dyeing our hair. As you can see, I kind of forgot to do this sooner, but make sure you apply Vaseline to your skin before you start dyeing your hair, unlike I did, because this will help prevent your skin from getting stained and leaving it red for the next week. I usually apply it to spots that are likely to get dye, so I would put it on my forehead, neck, and ears. If you don't have Vaseline, you can also use any other moisturizer that you have at home. And always wear the gloves that they provide you in the box, because once the dye stains your hands, it is very, very hard to remove. So that's why it's important to take these preventative measures so that your future self will thank you. Another thing that I do to help manage the hair dyeing process and make it a bit easier is by sectioning my hair into 4 parts. So I have 2 at the top, then 2 at the bottom, and work my way slowly up. And my last tip for you is to ask someone to help you out. It will make it so much easier to dye your hair. I recommend asking a friend or a family member. That way you don't miss any areas of your hair. And huge shout out to my amazing boyfriend for helping me out in this video. We've now got my hair covered in the dye, and we're just gonna wait 45 minutes for it to process. And this is the final results of what the Schwarzkopf Brilliance Smoldering Red looks like. I'll put some clips in of what it looks like in natural lighting and in sunlight for you all to see. I'm actually filming this section of the video 3 weeks after I dyed my hair, as I've been traveling at Japan, so hence why I wanted to dye my hair, because I wanted my hair to look good for the photos. But as you can see, the red has stayed in really well. I've been washing my hair with hot water, which is what you're not meant to do with colored hair, like with unnatural colored hair, as that really takes out the dye. But this one is so strong, it stays in, so don't worry about cold showers. You can still enjoy your nice warm showers with this box hair dye. If you're in Australia, you can pick this up at Coles or Woolworths or Chemist Warehouse. I got mine at Chemist Warehouse because it was the cheapest at the time at $12.99 per box. I use 2 boxes because I have really long hair, but still that was only 30 bucks to dye my whole head and to get it changed to a completely different color. So I think it was well worth it. And the reason I'm all for dyeing my hair the cheapest way is because I have wasted so much money at hairdressers that have let me down. I have dyed my hair at a hair salon and asked for this sort of cherry red color, and they were like, yeah, sure, no worries, we can easily do that without bleach. And this is how it turned out. I was not impressed. In this photo, you can see it's like a slight tint of red. And I do like big bold colors every time. So doing this, I was so upset. I remember I went home and I cried because I had just spent $200 and you couldn't even tell that I had dyed my hair. I even went to school the next day and nobody said anything. No one commented on my hair. So that's how I knew I wasted my money. And I was just like, oh my God, I should have just done a box dye because that would have been so much cheaper. And even if it didn't work out, then at least I didn't waste so much of my own funds. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it helped. Let me know if you decide to dye your hair with the same Schwarzkopf Brilliance as well in the comments. And let me know if you have any questions as well. I'll try my best to answer them. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!